The hidden power of short stories to learn English. Hi, I'm Arav. 2 years ago, I couldn't speak proper English. Even saying excuse me made me nervous. In school, I stayed quiet in English. Class. In job interviews, I smiled and said, "Sorry, I don't understand." Inside, I felt broken. But one night, everything changed. I was watching YouTube, just to pass time. Suddenly, I saw this video, Short Story to Learn English, for beginners. I clicked. The story was about a man who got lost in the rain. Simple English, subtitles, slow narration. And for the first time, I understood everything. It wasn't a grammar lesson, it was a story. And I loved it. I watched 3 more stories. The next day, I repeated some lines. By the end of the week, I was thinking in English. Here's why short stories work better than grammar. Books. They're short, so no pressure. They're interesting, so you remember the words. They're real-life based, so you learn how people talk. They help with fluency. Without you even noticing, they improve listening, which boosts speaking. They grow your vocabulary, naturally. It's like eating vegetables inside a pizza. You're learning. But it feels like fun. After 6 months of daily stories, I spoke English at a team meeting. Clear, confident, no fear. Now I use English. And emails, in customer calls, even while thinking. And it all started with one video. One short story. That's why I always say, want to learn English? Don't start with books. Start with stories. They teach more than any teacher. To start your English journey today. You're not too late. You're not too old. You're just one story away. So don't wait. Start now with short stories. Because if I can do it, a small town boy with 0 fluency, you can too.